Welcome. My name is Aaron Engelman from Two Teachers Tax Service here in Lyman, South Carolina. Today, we're going to talk about the no tax on overtime provision in the One Big Beautiful Bill Act of 2025. For decades, overtime pay has been treated as taxable income by the IRS. That means workers have always paid the same proportion of taxes for overtime pay as they do for regular pay. Now, the OBBBA is exempting overtime pay from federal income taxation. So what exactly does this law do? The key point of the law is that the extra that you make for working overtime will be exempt from federal taxes. So if you usually make $20 an hour, and for time and a half overtime, you make $30 an hour, the extra $10 per hour will be exempt from federal tax. When you file your taxes, you will be able to deduct up to $12,500 if you are single, or $25,000 if you are married filing jointly. This deduction may increase your refund or reduce the amount that you owe. Here's how the law will affect you. When you work overtime, your employer will withhold taxes as usual. But when you file your taxes, you can now claim a deduction of up to $12,500 for singles and $25,000 for those who are married and filing jointly. Keep in mind, this deduction only applies to federal income tax. You'll still owe Social Security and Medicare taxes, and possibly state or local taxes depending on where you live. High earners will see the benefit phase out starting at $150,000 in income for singles and $300,000 for couples filing jointly. The no tax on overtime provision is temporary. The provision is retroactive to January 1, 2025, and it extends through tax year 2028. That means workers will continue to earn overtime compensation in the same manner as they did before this law went into effect. Your employer will report your deductible overtime pay to you when you receive your Form W-2. Since the law is retroactive, employers are allowed to approximate overtime amounts for 2025. In conclusion, workers should stay informed about their rights under this new law, and employers should update payroll practices to accurately track overtime pay. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Two Teachers Tax Service by phone at 269-449-8277 or by email at twoteacherstax@gmail.com. Thank you.